Hi guys, hey, I trust you're all doing well. I have been talking to a lot of startups lately, and one word I keep hearing frequently is digital marketing. Indeed, after some discussions, it has become apparent that digital marketing has become synonymous with marketing for some people. As it offers an easier reach to millions of targeted customers at a cheaper price, I believe that digital marketing will capture the lion's share of a company's marketing expenses in the future. Back in 2010, when people were writing about digital marketing, I'm sure no one thought that it would take the center stage that it has taken today. In fact, companies, whether they are big, small, or unicorns, are spending a lot of money investing into their digital marketing. And even traditional businesses are now catching up and setting up their own digital marketing teams. Compared to digital marketing, traditional marketing is highly inefficient. And in fact, if you don't have a digital marketing strategy and an online presence, your customers are likely to shy away from your company and buy from a competitor. This field is likely to see a huge demand for digital marketing professionals in the coming years. And in this video, we will explore the various job opportunities that are available to aspiring digital marketers. But before we get into the various job roles, it is good to know that before digital marketing became mainstream, several freelancers and entrepreneurs were able to gain the first mover advantage. People who were good with content marketing and search engine marketing were able to scale up businesses very quickly, and traditional businesses did not even know what digital marketing was. Now, every day, more companies are realizing the fact that digital marketing is very important and is no longer an optional strategy when it comes to marketing. They are catching up late, but they have to catch up as there is no other option. This change in marketing strategy is expected to give rise to huge demand for marketing jobs in the coming years, and in fact, it is expected that over 1 million digital marketing jobs will be created by the year 2020. You may now be wondering, what are the various jobs that are available in the digital marketing domain? I am sharing examples of some of the job roles here. They are digital marketing manager, content marketing manager, content writer, digital producer, inbound marketing manager, social media marketing expert or a specialist, and search engine marketer, SEO executives, conversion rate optimizer, yield managers, and data analysts. Now, let us take a look at the various areas you need to focus on in order to become a good digital marketer. Number 1, social media marketing. This covers Facebook AdWords, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram AdWords. Number 2, email marketing. This covers bulk email campaigns. Number 3, search engine marketing, which deals with Google Ads. Number 4, YouTube, which involves creation of a subscriber base and video marketing. Number 5, search engine optimization, which is the process of improving a website's search ranking through meta tags, keywords, appropriate headings, backlinks, and understanding the Google ranking brain algorithms. Number 6, mobile marketing. Nowadays, more than 70% of the content is consumed on mobile devices, and as a result, it is very important to be knowledgeable of mobile marketing. Number 7 is content marketing, which involves using tools such as blogs, content websites, and posting content to social media sites. Number 8, web and social media analytics. Intelligence about traffic to a website, blog, and social media platforms is key to understanding the impact of a marketing campaign. The ability to analyze impact of a campaign in a quantifiable metric is a must for digital marketing managers. As a result, analytics is a must-have skill for anybody looking to grow in the digital marketing domain. Number 9, marketing automation. Knowledge of tools that help automate the process of digital marketing is very useful to a digital marketer. Examples of some such automation tools are Lead Squared, Acton, Sendy, Hootsuite, and MailChimp. Number 10, Affiliate marketing, which is the process of tying up with domain-specific bloggers, vloggers, and site owners, which is very helpful for digital marketing. Number 11, online reputation management, which is the process of keeping an eye on positive feedback and customer complaints in online space. Given the viral nature of social media, any complaint redressal which is not done properly could cost a business dearly. And number 12, which is AdSense training, which is the process of understanding revenue generation through digital marketing. So guys, let's quickly recap the areas you need to focus on to become a good social media marketer. They are number 1, social media marketing, number 2, email marketing, number 3, search engine marketing, number 4, YouTube, number 5, search engine optimization, number 6, mobile marketing, number 7, content marketing, number 8, web and social media analytics, number 9, marketing automation, number 10, affiliate marketing, number 11, online reputation management, and number 12, AdSense training. I trust you found this video useful for information on various job opportunities available in the digital marketing domain.